question. In regard to the website, I have a website since I started the business 2010. And every time someone look at it, will come up with new strategy and new look, as if you're giving the same X-ray to 5 physicians, each one of them would read it differently.
Right.
So how would you, avoid the extra money?
Yes, yes.
For people to read it differently and only focus on the vision and what you said, the target, your audience.
So website, you know what, I think you need to try to keep it simple. When it comes to website, think about this, right? When people discover you on the internet, right, when they come and they visit your website, if you are not offering them any kind of value, you are putting a lot of money on the table. And what I mean by that, right, if your website has to deliver immense value that is given, so there is a reason target market is struggling in terms of their pain points and challenges. There is a reason they are coming to you. And then if you are not offering them, if you are not entering into their mind through your value-added blogs, articles, cheat sheets, your videos and whatnot, you are putting a lot of money on the table. So think about this, your website has to be educational in nature. It should not be like a static brochure. And you can offer that education through different types of content, so that's the given. The second thing is that your website has to have some type of call to action. That is what is called direct response website, where you are encouraging visitors to take some kind of action on your visitors, right? Because what is the statistics is that, right, it takes about 8 to 12 tries for a prospect to go from a cold lead to a hot lead to a customer, right? So that is where when you start capturing their email, right, it allows you to go after them through your email marketing strategy, and that gets missed out many times, right? So all these components are sort of interwoven on the back end as well. So that would be my thing. And then of course there are some other aspects in terms of on-page search engine optimization, off-page search engine optimization. Basically it is all about how well your website is getting linked to through other websites, and how well Google algorithm is finding that your website has some kind of authority. But that's like a more advanced way, but I would try to keep it simple. Think about value, think about good content that you are passionate about writing or creating and whatnot, and start offering the value and start capturing your target market's emails. That would be a great thing.